What are iterative and incremental development?
Iterative and incremental are two approaches to building software. In iterative development, the product is improved through repeated cycles, refining features with each version. Incremental development adds completed parts of the system in stages, with each increment delivering more functionality. Both models help teams manage complexity and respond to change, but they approach building software in different ways.
The iterative model explained.
In the iterative model, development starts with a simple version of the software. Teams improve and expand it in repeated cycles called iterations. Each iteration tests and revises features, incorporating user feedback and lessons learned. This cycle continues until the product meets its goals. Iteration allows continuous refinement, helping to catch issues early and adapt to new requirements.
The incremental model explained.
With the incremental model, the system is built in separate, functioning sections or increments. Each increment adds specific features and can often be released to users independently. For example, a messaging app might first deliver text chat, then add file sharing, and later introduce video calls. This approach quickly delivers value and lets teams focus on one piece at a time.
Comparing strengths and weaknesses.
Iterative development is flexible and ideal when requirements may change, promoting early feedback and adaptation. Incremental development excels at delivering usable parts quickly and controlling project scope. However, both models can add complexity to planning and require strong communication within teams. Choosing the right model depends on project needs, team experience, and how clearly requirements are defined.
Practical examples in software projects.
A video game studio might use the iterative model to build a playable prototype and gradually refine graphics, controls, and levels. A business software team could follow the incremental model, releasing core accounting features first, then adding inventory management. Many modern teams blend both models, delivering software in increments and refining with iterative cycles to maximize quality and value.